All right, in this lesson, let's talk about scikit-learn. This is by far the most popular library in all of Python, and it is because it's the fun part. It is fun building models. Model building. It's not really real world, but whatever. So what is scikit-learn? Here is the best definition I could find. It's a library focused on model building. Yes, I'm a big fan of Occam's razor. So that's what it is. It has lots of libraries that we're going to import to build models, right? It is not focused on loading, manipulating, or summarizing data, right? We have our friends NumPy and pandas over here for that, right? So let's talk about this process. So here we have Python, and this is the core language. And we have all these things on the periphery, all these libraries that we can import. Here's pandas. We import it. We use the word import, as we've already seen, to import the functionality into Python so we can use the code that's in pandas to massage our data. Well, here we have this thing called scikit-learn or sklearn, right? This is the model building library. Lib for short, right? So remember when we imported pandas, import pandas, and we said as PD. All right, so when we imported pandas, we imported the entire library, entire lib. Well, that's okay, and we can do that, but that's not the Pythonic way. So what is the Pythonic way then? The Pythonic way is to only import, down here you can see this is what we're doing, what we need from what? From our libraries, sklearn. sklearn is scikit-learn. All right. Import. Here's our import. We're doing the import thing the same as we imported pandas here, right? Import what? We're only importing these items, these objects. We're importing data sets and metrics because this is all we need, right? This is the Pythonic way to do things, okay? So going forward, when you see the from at the beginning before an import and the library, it means it's only importing a section or an object from the library to do the job. Only what it needs. Okay.